when we are producers, what are the skills that you think producers have? What do you think they need to be able to do this? And it's important for you to be thinking about, what kind of support do I need? If I'm looking for someone to be my producer, am I going to expect them to be teaching along with me at times? Do I want them to be commenting on the content that's coming through in the chat, on the screens? Do I want them on camera? I train people to be producers all the time, and many of them are resistant to being on camera. And they say to me, I'm not going to have to be on camera. I'm behind the scenes. I'm the magician behind the curtain. Why do I have to be on the camera? And it's like, but according to what Lewis just described, that person's going to be a different type of partner in the session. And so you need to look good, sound good, and be able to appear on that camera in a way that would be professional in that setting, right? Other times you're never going to be on that camera. It depends. Yeah, look at all these things. Attention to detail, cool under pressure. Yes. Every one of these things. Yeah, and Lee, thank you for your note too, that they just need to be able to be flexible enough to be able to work with whatever the facilitator needs, right? To be able to jump into that role. When I was looking at asking, like, what do I need? If I'm going to teach people to be producers, what do they need to learn? And look, it's very similar. The brainstorm that you just gave me, this is what my network said too. And I asked them and the people that I know, all those same kind of things.